Hello and good afternoon, everyone. We from Lemah want to present about trigonometry in daily life. Our team have three people. One of them is me, Muhammad Iskandar Zulkarnain bin Wazaki. My number is 01TTK22F2044 and Arifin bin Sasuden 01DTK22F2002 and lastly Muhammad Faris Firdaus bin Haris 01DTK22F2007. This is list of our topic we want to discuss. Topic 1 is introduction of trigonometry and our topic 2 trigonometry in real life. So for the next slide, I want to present uh, Arifin bin Sasudin to to talk about next slide.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifin bin Syamsuddin. Matric number 01DTK 22F2002. Now I want to explain about introduction of trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between ratios of the side of a right angle triangle with its angles. The ratios used to study his relationship are called trigonometry ratios, namely sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, so cosecant. Trigonometry is one of the most important branches in mathematics. The word trigonometry is formed by clubbing word trigonon and metron, which means triangle and measure respectively. It is a study of the relation between the side and angle of a right angle triangle, and it does help in finding the measure of unknown dimensions of a right angle triangle using formulas and identities based on this relationship. Okay, next. Trigonometry, introduction of trigonometry. Uh, a triangle have in trigonometry have three sides, side A, B, C, and then has a hypotenuse, base, and perpendicular. In a right angle triangle, we have the following three sides. Adjacent is the side opposite to the angle, tangent, opposite opposite this is the adjacent side to the angle, tangent, hypotenuse this is side opposite to the right angle. Okay, next about trigonometry ratios. There are basic six ratios in trigonometry that help in establishing a relationship between the ratio of side of a right triangle with the angle. If tangent is the angle in a right angle triangle formed between the base and hypotenuse, then, for example, sin is a opposite hypotenuse, and then cos adjacent per hypotenuse, and tangent opposite per adjacent. The value of the other three functions, cot, sec, and cosec, depend on tan, cos, and sin respectively as given below. Cot tangent equal to 1 tan is it opposite uh, per hypotenuse. Sec tangent equal to 1 cos is it opposite per hypotenuse. Cosec equal to 1 sin opposite per hypotenuse. Okay, that's all from me, and I will pass to Faris.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Faris Firdaus bin Haris and my metric number is DTK F 2007. Okay, so I will explain about the quadrants. First thing first, a rectangular coordinate system consists of axes and y-axis that divide a plane into four regions called quadrants. The point where the two axes intersect is called origin and denoted by 0. Quadrants are usually denoted by Roman letter which is 1, 2, 3, and 4 as shown in the figure below. Okay, as you can see, in the first quadrant is 0 and 19 degrees in the first quadrant. Angles between 19 degrees and 118 degrees are in the second quadrant. The third quadrant's angle between 180 and 217 degrees are in the third quadrant, and fourth quadrant, which is 217 and 316 degree, are in the fourth quadrant. Okay, I will explain about the first quadrant. The first quadrant is all positive, which is sine, tangent, and cos. The second quadrant is sine is only positive. The third quadrant only tangent is the positive, and the fourth quadrant only cos is the positive. Okay, next to the next topic. Okay, this is for an example for trigonometry. The trigonometry has many real-life examples used broadly. Let's get a better idea of trigonometry with an example. As you can see, there's a boy is standing near a tree. He looks up at the tree and wonders, how tall is the tree? The height of the tree can be found without actually measuring it. What we have here is a right angle, a triangle with none of the angle equal to 19 degrees. So to the point A and B, we can call it opposite. To the point B to C, we can call it adjacent, and A to the C, we can we can call it hypotenuse. So the angle ACB is we call it theta. So that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, as you can see, this is the calculation about the example. We use tangent, which is height over distance between object and tree. The distance between it is the height and tangent theta. It is determined using the tangent function, such as the tangent of the angle is equal to the ratio of the height of the tree and the distance. Let us say the angle is theta, then let us assume that distance is 13 30 meter and the angle from is 45 degree. Then the height is 13 divided by tangent for 45 degree. Since tangent 45 degree is equal to 1, so the height is 13 meter. So I will transfer to the Iskandar. Thank you.
Thank you, Faris, for passing to me. So for the last is conclusion. Trigonometry may not have all the many everyday application, but it does help you to work with a triangle more readily. It's a useful supplement to geometry and actual measurement, and as such, well worth developing an understanding of basics, even if you never wish to progress further. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for us, from us, from Team Lemah. Thank you.